The game today, whatever you got going on today. I don't expect significant problems as we head throughout the day today. It's more so tonight and into tomorrow morning. A little bit of freezing rain, a little bit of sleet here or there. Today there could be some spotty freezing drizzle, maybe a sleet shower here or there. And of course there could be a slick spot here or there, but just, use caution. But overall today will be pretty dry throughout the day. It's just going to be very cold. 22 at kickoff, and then by the time you're leaving the game, temperature only of around 20 degrees. Reminder, we have that winter weather advisory in place for all of DFW, most of North Texas from noon today until noon on Monday. A step up from that is a winter storm warning for portions of East Texas and over into the Ark-La-Tex. So here's kind of a high-level look at what to expect today and into tomorrow. Between now and about 10 o'clock, we could have some scattered afternoon and evening freezing drizzle or sleet. It's going to be very cold, obviously, throughout the day today, and there could be a few flurries here or there, especially across the northern half of North Texas. It's tonight and into tomorrow morning, a little higher coverage of freezing rain or sleet mixture. Some light accumulations and some slick travel possible during that time frame. After that, it's going to stay very cold during the day tomorrow, but any of that wintry weather will have moved out, but hardly any melting, obviously, because temperatures are going to be well below freezing during the day today and during the day tomorrow. Temperatures right now, single digits and teens all across North Texas. It's 11 in Fort Worth. It's 14 in Dallas. And you got single digits from Bowie to Gainesville to Graham. Of course, when you factor in the wind, it feels like 0 or below across especially the northern half and western half of North Texas. All of DFW, wind chill 0 or colder than that. Dress for that if you're headed out the door first thing this morning. Maybe a few flurries up toward Wichita Falls. Some of that could move across northern North Texas this morning, but I don't really expect anything to really happen with that. And I'm also not confident that all of that is actually reaching the ground because of how cold it is. There's a lot of dry air, so anything that's falling is kind of evaporating before it hits the ground. But here's what happens today. Some increasing freezing rain, especially across eastern and southeastern areas as we head into the evening hours. That'll kind of spread northward as we head into the late night hours. There you go. Maybe a quick round of sleet and snow across northern North Texas. We start the day tomorrow with kind of mixture of sleet and freezing rain from DFW to the east and to the south. But there it goes. It moves out as we head through the morning hours, and we're dry by midday and into the afternoon. But obviously, it will be very cold during that time. So, like I said earlier, I don't see a situation where DFW is just entombed in ice, but I do see a situation where you got some icy bridges and overpasses, elevated surfaces, but ice amounts light for most of you. A little higher totals potentially for eastern and southeastern North Texas, and especially areas in East Texas, the Ark-La-Tex, where that winter storm warning's in place. Hopefully we get a bit of a transition into sleet overnight tonight, and that accumulates to maybe 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch, with a little higher totals across northeastern areas tonight and into tomorrow morning. Obviously, the cold is sticking around. 17 tomorrow morning, 25 for the high, 12 Tuesday morning, 28 for the high on Tuesday. Warming up above freezing kind of midday on Wednesday. 45 for the high on Wednesday, 56 Thursday. That's short-lived, though. Another blast of cold air arrives as we head into Friday, but no wintry weather chances with that one. It's only about 40 for the high Friday and Saturday in your mornings. Well below freezing on those days as well. Next week turns rainy, emphasis on rain, not wintry, and your temperatures get back closer to normal for that point in January.